Ever wondered how those delicious sandwich crackers are made? From flour to crispy snack, let's find out step by step. First, the main ingredients are simple: flour, water, fat like butter or oil, sugar, salt, and a little baking powder. And of course, the tasty filling. It could be cheese, chocolate, peanut butter, or cream. All the dry ingredients are mixed together, then fat and water are added to make a smooth dough. The dough is kneaded until soft and ready to roll. The dough is rolled into thin sheets, then cut into the familiar shapes: squares, rectangles, or circles. Tiny holes are poked into the dough so the crackers bake evenly. Next, the crackers go into a hot oven until they are golden and crispy. This gives them that perfect crunch we all love. Now comes the fun part, the filling. A layer of cheese, chocolate, or cream is spread on one cracker, then topped with another to make a sandwich. The crackers are cooled so the filling sets, then packaged in airtight wrappers to stay fresh. And that's how your favorite snack reaches your hands. Fun fact, some factories bake the crackers twice for extra crispiness, and the filling can have all sorts of flavors. Next time you enjoy a sandwich cracker, you'll know the science behind every bite. Like this video if you learned something new, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more fun food science.